A group of Oxnard students were asked whether they have a full-time job. 34 of them respond yes, and 42 of them responded with a no. First, I would like to find the probability that if one student is chosen in random, and that student is working full-time. So, the student is working full-time, which means they respond with a yes. So, 34 students responded with a yes. Out of how many students responded altogether? That will be 34 plus 42. And then from here, I have 34 over, let me see, you're welcome to use your graphing calculator. But I'm just going to simplify this by hand. So 17 over 38, that is the probability if a student is chosen in random and he or she is working full-time. Part B. I would like to find the probability that if a student is chosen at random, she or he is not working full-time. That would be the student responded with a no. So that probability is I have 40 choice out of total of this many students responded to the survey. So that will be 40 over 76. And my final answer will be, oh, I'm sorry. I have a little typo over here. It should be 42. Should be 42. So my final answer will be 21 over 38. Now officially this is the end of my calculation, but I would like to point out one thing. That is, notice that 17 over 38 plus 21 over 38 equals 38 over 38, which equals 1. You are going to use this knowledge for a later calculation. But notice that if I sum up those two probabilities, I have a 1. 1 usually represents, not usually, it does represent 100%. So we are 100% certain that when we choose a student, the student is either going to say yes or no in this situation. So notice that I could solve part B with an alternative method. That is, to find the probability if a student is chosen at random and she or he is not working full-time actually equals 1 minus the probability that the student is working full-time. And that probability is, once again, 21 over 38. So that is the alternative method of getting exactly the same answer using the fact that when you ask a student whether he's working full-time or not, this student is only going to answer either yes or no. So those two group of students are the perfect complement of each other. And we are going to use this fact, knowing that 17 over 38 fraction of people are working full-time. then 1 minus this fraction is going to be the probability of student working, not working full-time. So once again, the probability, the group of students who are working full-time is a complement of the group of students who is not working full-time. And when I sum up those two probability, I have 1. And this is the knowledge you will be using to solve one of the later or some of the later problems.